All right, so we're going to look at how to divide with complex numbers. So here we have an example. Seven over 3 minus I, and we want to divide. In our denominator, we have a complex number, 3 minus I. So what we're going to do to eliminate the complex number that's in the denominator, we're going to create a fraction. And the fraction that we create will be what's called a complex conjugate, or just conjugate. So basically what this is saying is that to find the complex conjugate or conjugate, you're going to take the opposite, meaning the sign. So we have here 3 minus I. We're going to create a fraction, and the fraction we create will be the complex conjugate of the denominator. So, meaning we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 plus I. 3 plus I. Okay? So had this said initially, if this said 3 plus I, then its complex conjugate will be 3 minus I. Now bring together the numerators. We have 7 times 3 plus I, and then bring together your denominators, those by the binomials we see, 3 minus I, 3 plus I, and let's multiply. So we have here, distribute 7 times 3, 21, then 7 times I, 7I. Then our denominator we're going to FOIL. Now remember, we're going to do a lot of these that eventually you notice that they're complex conjugate. They have opposite signs. The first and the last terms are the same. Therefore, the middle terms are going to cancel out. So when we FOIL, we have 9 plus 3I, then minus 3I, minus I squared. And don't forget that I squared is equal to -1. Don't forget that concept. So where we see this I squared, I'm going to cross it out. It becomes -1. We're going to times it to the negative that's already there. So that's going to be a +1. The middle terms are canceling out here. So here we have 21 plus 7I in the numerator. And then in our denominator, we have 9 plus 1. So our answer, we have 21 plus 7I over 10. Now I'm pretty sure the math program that we're using in class is going to ask you to write your answer in standard form. Standard form is the A plus BI form. So we're going to write this as two separate fractions. 21 over 10 plus 7I over 10. And if we can reduce each fraction, we do so. If not, we are finished. And for this example, we can't do any reducing, so we are done.